Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Facebook long videos not showing. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to try to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Facebook app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on the settings app, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general. And as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage. And we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. So I'm just going to keep waiting here now for this page to load. And then scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. Click on search, search for Facebook. And then click on offload app. And once again, offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds. Just going to keep waiting until we can see the reinstall app button. So here it is, as you can see, so just click on it. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, by the way. And basically what you're going to do now, you're going to force your Facebook app to completely update to its latest version. And by doing this, you're going to get all the new features that Facebook have, and also the bugs that was in the previous version is going to be fixed for you. So try this, and when it's done, go back into your Facebook app. This shouldn't, by the way, log you out of your account. At least it didn't log me out. So just wait for it to complete the process, then go back, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.